Not sure how to use your Toshiba AC Remote? Model number WC-L03SE. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Toshiba AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the preset button to save your preferred operating settings, such as mode, temperature, and fan speed. Once saved, press it again anytime to instantly recall those settings for quick and convenient operation. Press the one-touch button for automatic comfort control. The air conditioner selects the optimal mode, temperature, and fan speed with a single press for effortless operation. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Press the quiet button to reduce the noise level of your AC. It slows down the fan and compressor, making the AC run extra silently, perfect for bedtime or a peaceful environment. The Comfort Sleep button optimizes temperature, airflow, and humidity settings for a restful sleep, creating a comfortable environment throughout the night. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press the Fix button to lock the airflow direction at your chosen angle. This stops the swing movement, keeping the air directed steadily in one position for focused cooling or heating. The High Power button instantly boosts the air conditioner's cooling or heating performance to its maximum level, quickly reaching your desired temperature before returning to normal operation automatically. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. When you press the Cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or Good Sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. Use to confirm and save your selected settings, such as clock, timer, or scheduled operations. Press after adjusting values to finalize the setup. Press the Check button gently using a pin or paperclip to start the self-diagnosis function. This helps detect any system errors, and the unit will display error codes or indicators if a problem is found. Press the Filter button gently using a pin or paperclip to activate the air filter check or maintenance mode. This allows you to monitor or reset the filter status, and pressing it again with the pin or paperclip exits the filter mode. Press the Clock button gently using a pin or paperclip to access the clock settings. This allows you to set or adjust the time, and pressing it again with the pin or paperclip exits the clock setting mode. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Toshiba AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.